Welcome everyone to another episode on Thoughts on Education conducted by collegedunia.com. Today we have
Okay.
the principal of ATME College of Engineering, Dr. L. Basavaraj, with us. Welcome, sir.
Okay. Good morning.
Yeah. Dr. L. Basavaraj has completed his bachelor's degree from Bapuji Institute of Engineering Technology,
Davangere.
Delhi.
Davangere.
After
Davangere.
So after that he started his career teaching career as a lecturer in electronics and communication engineering at STJIT Rave Bebnoor,
Ranebennur.
yeah, for about 3 years, and he have been serving as a principal of ATME College of Engineering from 2013, and sir has a teaching experience of 30 years and 15 years of research experience, and also there are a number of research publication, national and international, as well as more than 30 research publication in the name of sir. Sir, welcome to our show on Thoughts on
Okay.
Education.
Thank you.
Beginning with the first question, sir. Being the principal of ATME College of Engineering, so what is your philosophy on leadership? How would you describe your leadership style, sir?
Will you please repeat that question?
Being the principal of ATME College of Engineering, so what is your philosophy of leadership? And how would you describe your leadership style, sir?
Say, first of all, I have to take confidence of my colleagues.
Mhm.
Okay. Without the support of colleagues, without taking confidence of my colleagues, I cannot execute any work.
Yes.
And the second thing, our management is very cooperative.
Mhm.
Our all the three members, starting from our Honorable Chairman, Sri L. Arun Kumar, and
Mhm.
Honorable Secretary Shivashankar,
Mhm.
and Honorable Treasurer Sri Veeresh.
Mhm.
All the three basically are technocrats,
Mhm.
practicing civil engineers,
Mhm.
and they're all philanthropists.
Great.
And ATMA College of Engineering started with a vision of development of academically excellent, culturally vibrant, socially responsible for global competent human resource. So, keeping all these things in the mind, we have started our college year. The management has started the college in the year 2010,
Mhm.
and we have a goal. So, a goal means we have to provide good infrastructure,
Yes.
good education to the students. So, we achieved it, and I am proud to say that ATME College of Engineering got accredited within 9 years from the inceptions.
Okay.
So ours is the second engineering college got accredited within span of 10 years
Mhm.
in Karnataka. And in Mysore, ours is the first college got accredited.
Great.
Okay. And we have a plan to go for NAC in the academic year in the year 2020-21.
Great.
Because ATME College of Engineering is approved by IICT in New Delhi
Mhm.
and affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. Just because we are affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, we don't have that much freedom to revise syllabus as per the industry needs. Because every day we have seen many changes in industries.
Mhm.
To train our students to industry need, we need to modify our curriculum. So we don't have that flexibilities.
Mhm.
So to do all this modification, we have to get what autonomous.
Yes.
So for that we are planning. Hopefully by 2020-22 we'll getting autonomous. Once we got autonomous status, we have freedom to modify our curriculum. We can train our students to industry needs.
Great.
And ATME College of Engineering has uh, reached its greater height, and had a massive achievements with a formidable infrastructure, well qualified, experienced faculties, talented and focused students, dedicated administrators. These are all the facilities I can just highlight it.
Yeah, yeah. Great, sir. That's quite great. So, sir, so how does the curriculum of ATME College of Engineering ensure the best practice for industries?
Say for curriculum, we have a best practice. Uh, Mentoring system is there.
Mm-hmm.
So mentoring system means we are going to allocate 15 students to each faculty. All mentors will take care of the students, and every day we have an ERP system. Every day, message will go to the parents saying that whether the student has attended the class or not. If they missed even one class, they will get a message in the evening, and we keep sending information about the activities, college activities,
Mm-hmm.
as well as their test progress, result. Everything will be reached to the parent through our advanced technology. Okay, that's one thing. And we have online training. Online training in this COVID pandemic. So, we have given training through online, that too with the use of MS Team.
Mm-hmm.
So, we have not missed any topic, any module, even in the last semester also.
Great.
Since September 1st, we have started this new academic year. Almost 75% of the syllabus covered through online only.
Great.
Now, as per the government order, government instruction, as well as VTU instruction, we have invited our students to come to college, and we have taken all necessary cares
Mm-hmm.
in the college to invite students. Of course, 10 to 15% of the students started attending offline classes. They're in the campus now. And all our 183 staff members, including non-teaching faculties, tested COVID test.
Okay.
Okay, we have no issues. And as per the government guidelines, we have provided all necessary facilities.
Great, sir. So, sir,
And I will take
yeah. So, how does the any insight into how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different races and
I'm going to give you some highlights about the college. Say facilities. First of all, the college has all basic amenities.
Mhm.
Faculty members are the strength of this institution, and the faculties are dedicated and self-motivated with vast experience,
Yes.
and are having a master's degree, doctor's degree to their folds.
Mhm.
College has well-equipped laboratories, digital classrooms, full-fledged libraries, auditorium with centralized air conditions, with international facilities built in it. College has a beautiful and hygienic cafeteria, sports center, separate department library we have. We have department seminar halls, cluster of auditorium of various capacities, and clear, and the college broadcasted data. That is what I already mentioned it, right? And we provided transportation facilities. College is providing transportation facilities for students coming from surrounding Mysore city, and also transportation facilities has been extended for the benefit of the students coming from rural areas like nearby areas, Nanjangud, Honsur, Mandya, KRPati. So we have provided transportation facilities.
Great.
College campus is under electronic surveillance for safety of the students. The CCTV surveillance camera have been installed in and around the campus, classrooms, laboratories, cafeteria. And regarding training program, job skill training, ATMA College of Engineering aims of providing domain-specific training and trains the students at various levels to make them technically skilled and employable. And ATME College has signed MOUs with various reputed companies like VLSI, Cisco, Infosys, Wipro, Dell, and GTTC, CAD centers, RMJ automation, like that. They have signed with many companies.
Mhm.
We keep conducting seminars, workshop, and conferences, international conference, national conferences. It is department wise, college wise. Okay, and we keep inviting experts from industries. the industry people will deliver talk on the current topics, that is domain specific, brand specific, and play regarding placement activities. ATME College of Engineering, many reputed companies visited our college for recruitment. So last year, Infosys visited our college. It was a pool campus, pool drive, not campus drive, pool drive. We have provided a facilities roughly about 1,800 students in our campus. And even HP, HCL, Wipro, and many more companies have visited our college for the recruitment purpose. College provides 4 levels of training, that in the placement training, starting from first year to final year, communication skill, aptitude training, pre-placement training, etc. And in addition to that, our management is so generous. We have implemented one Vidyasare scheme. It's a unique and a distinguished program adopted by ATME College of Engineering. I'm going to give a very brief insight about this Vidyasare scheme. This is the third batch we have admitted in our college in the current ongoing admission. A student who have scored more than 95% in PCM. So we don't take all 6 subjects. If he or she scored more than 95% in PCM, we are not charging even 1 rupee from the student. All 4 years, we are giving free education except university registration fee and examination fee. Student need to pay only examination fee and registration fee. No transportation fee to the students, no tuition fee, no college fee, 100% free education for all the 4 years. If a student having a percentage between 90 to 95, so they will get 50% concession in all areas: tuition fee, college fee, transportation for all the 4 years. This is what the facilities provided to the students to encourage meritorious students.
That's
Okay. And the students got benefited roughly in last 2 academic year, including this year. Roughly 50 students got benefited. So we provide these facilities to the 50 students every year based on the intake. So we have 120 intake in electronics and communication, 120 intake in computer science, 120 intake in mechanical engineering, and 60 intake in civil as in electrical engineering. So putting all these 5 branches together, we are providing these facilities. In addition to that, insurance. Okay, we provide students insurance to every student. Every student is insured for any unsaid eventuals of earning members. The students can continue his studies and need not to worry about the college fee, as it will be taken care by the insurance company. So that is one facility we have provided. And also academic and extracurricular achievements. I am proud to say that our students have done excellent in sports activities, both boys as well as girls. So they're performing very well in extracurricular activities. They represented university team, both boys and girls, in cricket, handball, softball. So, and once last 5 years back, we got 1 lakh cash award from Visvesvaraya Technological University because of our achievements. And this year again we are eligible. 100% we will get second time cash award. That is based on the points, how our students are going to perform, and based on the earning in the sense points earning. So if number of students that is count, they will take the count, how many students have participated and in how many events they have participated. So just not only the participation, they have to perform to their expectation. Okay, even our girl students representing the VTU team in national level. This is what about students. And regarding social responsibilities, every year we have event in the year. College celebrate Atmiya, annual cultural fest with the social themes related with social themes. So in that, uh, we are providing financial support to the victim families. In other words, I can say that it is leading financial support, especially for disabled, to create awareness among the people to take care of the society. In the last year, we have organized an Atmiya event under the say in the name of Arise, Awake, and Adopt orphans. This was the theme. Earlier to that, the college having generous towards environment and global warming. College has set up a solar power station with 100 kVA power generation. That is what the facilities we have, and we have rainwater harvesting with a concern for water and water recycling plant and many more.
Great, sir. Great. So, sir, what do you think should be the college top priority over the next 10 years?
And the next 10 years, that is what we have. Definitely, we got accredited already. I already mentioned it. In a span of just 10 years, we got accredited.
Yeah.
And our next goal is to uh, get autonomous, NAC. Once after getting NAC in a span of 1 year, we are going for autonomous. So
Yeah.
once we got autonomous status, we are free to modify our curriculum as per the industry needs, and we have planned to go for new branches like what artificial intelligence and machine learning in the coming years, and the cyber security and forensics. Next is data analytics, like this. These are all the plans we have in the coming year.
So, sir, when you first came to ATME College of Engineering, so what was your vision for the university, and has it evolved over time, and how far along is implementing that vision are you, sir?
No, I joined this institution in 2013.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by the time I joined this institution, of course, 100% infrastructure, everything completed.
Yeah.
Our aim is to provide, say, in our vision mission state, our college vision, mission itself will give you the details. That is what development of academically excellent and culturally vibrant, socially responsible, and globally competent human resource. Keeping all these 4 points in our mind, every day we are providing necessary training to the students, and we have highly qualified, talented faculties, and we are looking still PhD graduates to recruit our to all the departments, even though we have PhD qualified professors in all the department, and still we are looking PhD qualified and experienced staff to all the department, and also we are encouraging our faculty members to participate in attend workshops, conferences, and we are providing financial facilities to both faculty as well as students to attend workshop, conference, and we are providing financial facilities to publish their articles in the reputed journals, to publish articles in the international journals or conferences like that. And almost 25 to 30% our faculty members are pursuing PhD. So we are given some flexible timings for them to pursue or continue their research activities. Next thing is, yes, this is what I can quote right now.
So, sir, another one. So, what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know, sir?
Say our college is eco-friendly. Say 100% greeneries, eco-friendly, no noise pollution, air pollution.
I have seen the campus. It's quite greenery and everything. So
Greenery.
I really love the campus after visiting your campus, sir.
And we take care students in all respects, and our mentors keep calling parents, calling students if they have some any queries, issues. Okay, we have very good mentoring facilities. Okay, mm, and we have ultimate laboratory facilities. I think if you go through
Yeah.
what campus round,
Mhm.
that itself will proves that we have provided an ultimate facilities to the students.
Mhm.
And as far as training part is concerned, we no compromise.
Yes, sir.
So we are ready to provide training as per the company needs as well as the students needs.
Mhm.
And we have Cisco certified laboratory, Cisco certified training facilities we are providing in the campus. We have one incubation center, that is Planas Technology, VLSI, very large scale integrated circuit laboratories. We have a Cadence tool, and it's an industry standard tool, and the software itself is 18 lakh for 20 user license. So we're giving training on VLSI, and the majority of the students who got trained under VLSI now they are in very good reputed companies, chip designing companies,
Mhm.
and their packages is also very good. Now our alumni keep visiting colleges, and they're motivating their juniors.
Yeah.
Okay, we keep inviting alumni to college. Mm,
So,
uh,
yeah. So,
right.
sir, yeah. So, sir, what do you see ATME College of Engineering's greatest strength?
Hello, sorry.
What do you see ATME College of Engineering's greatest strength, sir?
ATME College of Engineering.
Greatest strength, sir. Greatest strength.
Greatest strength is faculty. Very good faculties in all departments. Ultimate infrastructure in Mysore. See, even 20-25-year colleges have not provided this type of facilities. What the facilities ATMA provided to the students, they don't get this type of facilities in any colleges. Of course, I'm sorry if I'm wrong. I'm not blaming any institutions,
Yeah.
but we are in par with those colleges. Of course, all colleges they have provided
Their own.
facility.
Mhm.
If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But we have provided facilities equal to the colleges, 20-25-year-old colleges. No? We have provided ultimate facilities. Okay.
Yeah.
And as well as training, teaching is concerned, no compromise.
Yes, sir. So, what are some of the biggest challenges that you see for higher education in general, and as well as especially for ATME College of Engineering?
Biggest challenge means the thing is, so we have to invite meritorious students. Okay. As keeping that in our mind, we have provided this infrastructure. What is it? Vidyasaras. Students are the strength to ATME College of Engineering.
Mhm.
If meritorious students going to join our college, then automatically we can expect some good result. Of course, but present students, they're good. I'm not. I have no second thoughts. Still, we expect them to perform to our expectation. Means we should get some university ranks in all branches.
Mhm.
So that all depends on the type of admission. Okay,
Agree.
highly qualified, high meritorious students. If meritorious students going to join our college, definitely we can expect some ranking in all branches. Automatically, it is going to boost our placement activities.
Yes, sir.
Right. Students have the strength to our college. If they perform better, that is going to give a big strength to our institution.
Sure, sure. So, sir, any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students, sir?
Current youth means that the student should not take anything lightly.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, the students stop writing habit. Even mathematics,
Yes.
they don't practice with the use of paper and pen. As a mathematics, students need to practice with paper as well as pen. So not only in mathematics, students should cultivate reading habit as well as a writing habit. Of course, nowadays material is available,
But
but they're
how to
not.
use that material, it's not.
They plenty of material is available, but they're not properly utilizing it.
Exactly.
If they sincerely put effort, at least 2 hours a day, it is more than sufficient with this type of infrastructure, this type of facilities. Okay, if they put just 2 hours a day, I assure that everyone will get minimum 70 to 80%.
Yes, sir. Mhm.
Now the students have to show interest.
Exactly.
Now I am observing student. Of course, they're very talented now because they're very well. They're spending time with mobile, right? Majority of the time, students used to spend they waste their even I don't hesitate to say that they're wasting time.
Yeah.
Simply, it's the charting, right? This is the age to do that. In addition to that, they'll have to concentrate on studies. If they concentrating on studies, definitely student can perform. Even a student, if he or she joining with just 50 to 60 percentage in PCM, if they follow teachers' guidelines and if they make use the facilities, internet facilities or the materials which are available in the internet or in the websites, and even many IITs. So you have tied up with IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, and the experts from IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, they keep conducting workshops. Okay, and many courses. If they undergo the courses conducted by IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, or IIT Chennai, many, I can quote many things. Okay, if they properly utilize all these facilities, no, they will perform wonder. And one thing I've forgotten, since last 3 years, our students have participated in hackathon, all Indian level hackathon. Ours was the first college in the very first time hackathon. 5 batches of students have participated in the hackathon, national level hackathon, and 2 batch went up to last round.
Great, sir. Great.
Okay. And every year, of course, last year finally only one team got selected, and they worked hard, and they too had attended all 5 days program. This year, because of this pandemic, COVID-19, they have not been invited to some places. Okay, and they have provided to show their talent through online only, and our students did work for 2 to 3 days. We have provided all facilities in the college only to work for that hackathon.
Great, sir. So, sir, it was great having you with us in this segment of Thoughts on Education. So, I believe the student who will be viewing your interview will get some insight about the college, and also the support that you are providing to the faculty as well as the student will encourage the aspiring students to join your college for the future purpose. So, thank you again, sir, for being with us.
Thank you.
Yeah, and
Thank
giving the insight of the
Thank you
college.
all.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you.